In 2026, are you still using hashtags like it's 2016? If you want to grow your YouTube and Facebook channels, it's time for a strategy update. Let's break down what actually works. First, YouTube. Forget stuffing your description with dozens of tags. The magic number is 3 to 5 relevant hashtags. Place 1 or 2 of your most important ones directly in your video title. The rest go at the very top of your description, within the first 100 characters, to maximize their impact. YouTube's algorithm ignores anything past the 5th hashtag, so make them count. Use a mix: broad tags to reach a wider audience and niche tags to attract a dedicated community. And don't forget to create your own unique branded hashtag for your channel. Now let's talk about Facebook. Here, less is more. The sweet spot is 1 to 3 highly relevant hashtags per post. To find what's trending, use Facebook's own hashtag autocomplete feature. For deeper insights, social listening tools can reveal what your target audience is talking about right now. Just like on YouTube, creating a branded hashtag is a powerful way to build a community around your content. For both platforms, remember this: hashtags are a supplement, not a substitute for quality content. They enhance discovery, but your videos, your message, and your value are what will make people stay. Research your tags, keep them relevant, and watch your channels grow.